Welcome back to quiz time. Can you pass this math quiz? Here are 9 simple number system questions. Each question gives you 2 marks. Are you ready? So let's start. What is the HCF of 2 times 3 superscript 3 times 5 superscript 2 and 2 superscript 3 times 3 times 5? Two superscript 3 times 3 superscript 3 times 5. If NA union B equals 50, N equals 30, and NA intersection B equals 12, what is NB? (32). 3 superscript 3 divided by 3. The LCM of 2 numbers is 180 and their HCF is 12. If one number is 36, what is the other? (60). Express 0.000456 in standard form. For 0.56 times 10. If A equals XX is a prime number less than 20, how many elements are in A? (8). In a class of 40 students, 25 study physics, 22 study chemistry, and 5 study neither. How many study both? 12. 5 times 10 superscript 3 times 4 times 10. 2 times 10 superscript 1. What is the smallest positive integer that is divisible by both 12 and 18? (36).